So he's got $29,000 in negative equity.
Mm-hmm.
He can put $7,500 down,
Mm-hmm.
but he won't do an EV.
Right.
Okay.
So we're looking at GLE Coupe, trying to get it as close to $2,500 a month with as little down. Like, he doesn't even want to put the $7,500 down. And I'm like, I need something. Like, I have to make a $100,000 car worth 130 nearly at this point. So I need something from you.
What is the deal number? Because I want to take a look at where we are loan to value.
I think we were right around 121%. I was thinking maybe we do a 20, like if I located a 24 GLE 53.
53 regular?
Yeah.
I like where your head's at. That's where I was going.
Okay.
Wait, the car I see in here is a 25.
25 GLE 53 Coupe is what we were working on. What? Yeah.
What about a 24?
24 GLE Coupe?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's got the big incentive on it.
That's why I was thinking of the SUV.
So a 24 GLE Coupe will be better.
Okay.
The 24 GLE 53 will be best. Okay, because
and he's open to that.
Okay. They both have $5,500 incentives
Okay.
for Amex, which is that what I see in here?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
he has Amex. Okay.
The GLE 53 regular then goes a step further and has incentivized rates, right? So the money factor is incentivized. Either case, on a 24 GLE Coupe, especially if we can find one in stock that he's cool with, because
I don't think we. Do we have one in? I don't think we have one in stock.
yeah, we have a couple.
24?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I mean, unless I'm losing my mind, which is entirely possible. Yeah, we've got two left.
Oh, okay.
A black and a black red.
He'd probably do the black red.
Black red. Let's price that one.
Okay.
Because I'm sure, like most people, his preference would be the coupe.
Right.
Even though the regular, I mean, I might even prefer the regular just because I like the...
Space?
Not even that. I like coupes, don't get me wrong, but in the SUV, for some reason, the GLE 53 regular is just a little bit more visually appealing to me.
Okay.
Don't know why.
I don't know.
The coupe does hold its value better, and so let's take a look at this one real quick.
Yesterday he told me he was just going to keep the car, but then he texted me today.
Well, why?
Hey,
Let's find... What do you need to keep it for?
Well, yeah.
Right, your 29K flip. Let's figure something out for you. Right.
That's the thing. It's a 24. His trade. He just got it 4 months ago.
Okay. Why does he want to get rid of it so quickly?
He says it's uncomfortable. So.
What is it?
It's a Genesis GV80. But he's like, if I'm gonna lose that much money, I might as well just keep it. So that was yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I can't blame you. But today, he's like,
wait a minute,
right.
Is he doing 25,000 miles a year on the lease?
Because he just bought the car 4 months ago and already put 11,000 miles on it.
Okay, so I'm guessing, did he lease or did he buy that Genesis?
He bought it.
Okay, so it sounds to me like we have a high mile driver that has a pattern of getting out of cars early and rolling a mass amount of negative equity. Right, that's probably how he has this payoff.
Maybe.
Right?
Okay.
If you think about it, if he's already put 11,000 miles on the car in 4 months,
right.
This is exactly why I talk about doing high mile leases, because if you're driving 25,000 miles a year and you get a new car every 3 years, you're just gonna always be flipped, right? You're gonna literally just always be flipped. So why not just lease it? Yeah, you're gonna be in it for
the
3 years,
yeah.
But also the reality of it is with our pull ahead program, you can always get out
3 months.
3 months totally clear.
Right.
But at like with 6 months left, if you've only got 3 payments to deal with, right? It's not, or even 1 payment.